In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up the Finalizing.io live stream shopping integration module. So the first thing we have to do is we navigate to the store management section and select settings. In the settings page, we select modules. So here we are going to search for Channelize live stream shopping module. So once you find it, you go ahead and install and edit it. So I've already installed it. I go ahead and click on the edit button. So in the edit page, you can see that we need to provide the public and private key. So what we'll do now is we proceed to enable the module status. And then in the next step, we have to create the Channelize merchant account by clicking here. So since I've already created my Channelize merchant account, I go ahead and then log into it. So I type in Channelize.io. So in the home page, I select the login option and select live shopping. So here I'll now proceed to log into my account. So I'll pause the video to do that. Alright, so now that I'm logged in, I'm prompted to choose a subscription plan. So this is what you see the first time you log into your Channelize.io account. So for this example, I'll choose the free plan. So I proceed to call the application name Store Demo. So after we enter the name under platform, we choose others. So we click on the continue button. Alright, so the application is being created, so we wait for it to finish. Alright, so now we have the account. So we proceed to alright, so we proceed to get the public and private key. So in the Channelize.io dashboard, to get the public and private keys, you can see them here. So we go ahead and copy it. And then paste it here as well. So now that we've copied it, you can also find this key by navigating to the help and support section, as you can see here. So let's go back here. So this is the keys. So now that we've set it up here, we go ahead and save. Alright, so we have set up the integration module. So once we complete the setup of the integration module, it says here that we can proceed to set up live shows by navigating to marketing and live stream shopping page. So to access this page, we navigate to the store management section and select marketing. Alright, so in the marketing page, you can see that a new option called live stream shopping has been added. So clicking this, you see we have additional options here. So the first one enables us to set up the Storefront live show homepage settings. So this is where we can create live shows. And then this is where we can create live show categories. So once we have set up the integration module, we will now proceed to go back to the channelize.io dashboard and then create our first live shopping show. So to do that, we select the live shopping shows menu. And then here we'll now proceed to click on the create live show button. All right, so we call this test show. We say this is a test. Or let's go ahead. Instead of selecting this, since this will enable us to create an actual show. So let's go ahead and then finish this. So we add description. So we add the start date, which is today. Start time. Sorry, we leave it as we change start time to 8. End date still today, 11, and then save. So here we can add a teaser video link. So this can be a link to a YouTube video if we have that, but we'll leave this. So under the show banner image, go ahead and upload a banner. All right, so the banner has been added. So the next thing we do here is to now add the products that we want to promote in the live shopping show. So we go ahead and click on this button here. And then here I'll now proceed back to the store. Open the storefront end. So let's say we want to promote these products. We select this one. Right, so we click on the view details page, and then here is a link. So we copy this link and put it here. So once we add the link, we click on the add button. All right, so you see that the product information has been captured. So the next thing we do after getting this is to get the product ID. So to get the product ID, we go back to this page, get the product name called test product, go back to the admin panel. So in the admin panel, we navigate to the products page. To do that, we select store management section and select catalog. In the catalog page, we select products. So here we search for the products that we just added. Here it's called test product. So you can see it here. So to get the product ID, you can see the product ID here. So we copy this and add it here. So now we've added it, we save. So let's add another product. To add a second product, we come back to the store page. So let's say we want to add this product 1. So we select it. So click on the view details button. And then here we copy the product link and add it here. Click on the add button. So you see that the product has been added. So we edit the name. And then to get the product ID, so this is the name of the product. We go back to the admin panel. So we look for product 1. So this is the ID. We copy it and put it here. So we go ahead and save. So this is how you add products to your live shopping show. So once you've added the products, you now go ahead and click on the continue button. So the last thing we do here is we add the show host here. So I can proceed to select an existing show host if I have any, but I don't have one here. I can type in. So since there is none here, we click here to add a host. So we call this, so we put the name as Victor. We select this as test as the email. So we add the password and then save. All right. So now we've added the hosts. So let's click on the show advanced settings. So here we enable the public option, chat option. Also, we will enable the add to cart button here. So once we've set up all these options, we go ahead and click on the publish button. So it says that the current plan allows creating event maximum duration 20 minutes. So this is because we are in the free plan. So let's go ahead and reduce the time. So go back here, select 8. Sorry, select 9. So we reduce it to 20 minutes. I think it should work if we select them. So, all right. Sorry, we select 8. Okay. It should be fine. 8, of course. And then, so now it should work now because it's now within 20 minutes. So let's go ahead and publish. All right, so we've created our first live show. So we'll go ahead and click on this button. So after you've created your live show in the channelize.io dashboard, the next thing you do for it to be visible in your store is to also create the live show in your store. So for us to create this show in our store, we navigate to the admin panel. So in the store management section, we select marketing. In the marketing page, we go ahead and click on live stream shopping. And then in the live stream shopping option, we click on live shows. So here we'll now add the new live show by clicking on the add button. So we say this is test show. Add the short description. So for us to get the event ID, we go back to the channelize.io dashboard. We click on live shopping show. So for us to get the event ID for this show, we click on the title. So in the details page, we click on embed button. So here you can see the event ID. So we go ahead and copy it and paste it here. All right. Add the meta tag title, description, and then keyword. All right. So we click on the continue button. So here we'll now add the banner for the live show posts. So go ahead and all right. add the sort order number as 1, and then proceed. So we've not yet created the category, so we leave the category option. Select the store, which is already selected, and then save. So now we've added the live shopping show that we created in our dashboard here. We've added it here. So to view it in the storefront end, go ahead and select store. So you notice that when we activated the live stream shopping, you notice that a new menu has been added called live shows. You will also find the menu here as well. So let's go ahead and click it. Alright, so in the live shows page, you can see that our live show has been added. So let's say we want to customize this page. We want to change some certain things about the page. Go back to the admin panel, the store management section. We select marketing, select live stream shopping, and then we select the live show homepage option. Alright, so in the live shows homepage settings, so we go ahead and then add the necessary information here to update the homepage content. So for the title, we can set it as live stream shopping shows. This can be the title for the page. So here we can add a description that the customers will see in the page. So we call this let's say find our live shopping shows, our latest live shopping shows here. So we add the meta title. Alright, so we leave the meta description and keyword as it is optional. So for the live show listings, we can adjust it. So instead of 8, it shows 10 posts per page. We can also adjust the paro option to 2, and then can also adjust the image thumb, the thumb image size. We can adjust it here, but we'll leave it. So we go ahead and save. Alright, so now we've saved. If we go back to the live show page, so click on it again. Alright, so you see that the homepage layout has been adjusted and the contents we entered are also have been added. So let's go ahead and change the paro option again. So it's smaller because we selected 2 paro. So let's change it back to 1 and save. Alright, so let's refresh the page. So you can see that it has been updated. So for us to view the actual show, we click on this button. Alright, so you can see that this is the live show that we just created. So it says it's an upcoming show. So you can see the banner, you can see the product, and you can see the countdown. So your customers can select the notify me and choose to be notified about when the show is active. So let's go ahead and close it. So let's add another show. To add another show, we go back to the Channelize.io dashboard. Select the live shopping shows option. And then here we click on the create live show button. So we say test show 2. So this is second Rise.io demo live show. So we go ahead and then select the time. Select it as today, 7 o'clock. And then today as well. So we say 7:20. Sorry, 7:20. So this is the end time. So here we can add a teaser video, but we won't do that. Go ahead and add the banner. Alright, so we add the products. So we click here. So for this, we are only adding one product. So to do that, we go back to the storefront end. So we select the category. So let's say we want to add product 4. So we select it, click on the view details, copy the link, add it here. Alright, so product 4 has been added. So to find the product ID, we go to the admin panel. So we navigate to the products page by selecting catalog. And then select products. So we search for product 4. So this is the product ID. And then we put it here. So we save. So we are only adding only this product. So we click on the continue button. So here we select the host. Remember we created a host earlier. So we select this as the host. So under the show advanced settings, so we leave all this as it is. And then publish it. So we can share it or click here. So now that we've created the new test show, so let's go back to the admin panel to create it so that it shows in the store. So to do that, we navigate to the store management section and select marketing. So in the marketing page, we select live stream shopping. And then here we choose the live shows option. So let's create the second show here. So we click on the add button. All right, say live show 2, short description. So for the event ID, so remember we go back to the live shopping shows page by clicking here. So for the second live show, open it, click on the embed button. Then here you can find the event ID. You copy it and add it here. Meta description, meta title. We leave the meta description and keywords. Here we add the banner image. So you can add this as the banner image. So we leave the category for now and then we save. So you see that the second live stream show has been added. So let's view it in the storefront end. So in the storefront end, we select live shows. So you see that the second live show has been added. So let's change the page listing layout. So to change it, come back to the admin panel, select marketing, So we edit the live show homepage settings. So here we change the post per row to 2, since we now have 2 posts, and save. So let's refresh the page. So you can see that the layout has been updated. So clicking on this, let's view the show. Alright, so you see that the second live show has been added. So you see the product has been added as well. Alright, so let's say we want to add the latest live show module to the storefront homepage. So let's say we want to add it here. We want to add the module here. So for us to do that, we go back to the admin panel. In the store management section, we select settings. So in the settings page, we select themes. So here we choose the layout designer option. And then here we select the home page layout. So we are going to add it. I've already installed it. Remember, you have to install the module before it's available here. So to find the module, we look at it here. So latest live stream shows, we copy it and then drag it to this section. So we go ahead and edit it. So here on I'll put the name as test live shows. Leave all these other settings, enable it, and save. So we also need to save the layout by clicking this, since we just added a new module. So we go ahead and save the layout. Alright, so let's go back to the storefront end. So when I refresh the page, the live stream show latest module will be visible here. So let me refresh the page. Alright, so you see that it has been added. So clicking it will open the live stream shopping shows. It's for the first one, and this is the second one. So in this video, I've shown you how to set up the Channelize.io live stream shopping integration module, how to create live shows, and also how to set up the latest live show module. Thank you for watching.